In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit on Exness. If you're trading on Exness, knowing how to manage risk is just as important as knowing when to enter a trade. Stop loss and take profit levels help you define your exit points in advance so you can protect your downside and lock in potential profits more effectively. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find these settings and how to apply them inside the Exness terminal. To begin, go to the Exness terminal. This is the main area where you'll access your trading interface and manage orders. Once you're inside, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct trading account and that the platform has fully loaded. That will make the next steps much easier to follow. Next, open the order window and select pending to define your entry. Choosing a pending order means you're setting up a trade to trigger only when the market reaches a price you specify. This is useful when you already know the level where you want to enter instead of opening the trade immediately at the current market price. In the order window, selecting pending allows you to prepare the trade with more control over timing and price. Be careful to review the entry level you choose, since this determines when the order becomes active. After that, go to your portfolio tab. This is where you can view your current positions and manage them after they've been placed. Find your open position, then click the pencil icon next to it. The pencil icon is typically used for editing, and here it will let you modify the trade settings. Once the edit window opens, enter your stop loss and take profit prices. Your stop loss is the price level where the trade should close automatically to limit losses if the market moves against you. Your take profit is the level where the trade should close automatically once your target profit is reached. Enter both values carefully, making sure they match your trading plan and risk tolerance. It's a good idea to double check the numbers before confirming, because even a small typo can place your levels incorrectly. Finally, save your changes. Once saved, your stop loss and take profit will be attached to that position, allowing the platform to manage those exit levels automatically. And that's it. You've now learned how to set stop loss and take profit on Exness. Using these tools